For centuries, ancient civilizations relied on a secret weapon, a food so powerful, so essential, it was at the heart of their survival. This wasn't just nourishment. It was medicine. It was strength. And now, in our rush to modernize, it's been cast aside, almost completely erased from our diets. This isn't your average health food. It's not trendy. It's not Instagrammable. It's gritty, raw, and unapologetically primal. But in ancient times, this food wasn't just respected. It was revered. Warriors carried it into battle. Healers used it to treat everything from wounds to chronic disease. Entire communities thrived because of it. What if I told you this forgotten superfood has the potential to heal your body, boost your immunity, and even extend your life? Scientists today are finally catching up, uncovering the secrets our ancestors understood without laboratories or fancy diets. This is organ meat. Before you scroll away, stop. I get it. Organ meats don't have the glamorous reputation of avocado toast or kale smoothies. But that's exactly the problem. Somewhere along the line, we forgot what true nutrition looks like. Liver, heart, kidney, these aren't just scraps. They're nature's multivitamins. Packed with vitamins A, D, and B12, iron, and essential fatty acids, organ meats contain nutrients you simply can't get from most of the foods we eat today. The bioavailability, the ease with which your body absorbs these nutrients, is unmatched. No synthetic supplement comes close. Take liver, for example. Ancient Egyptians believed it could cure blindness. Indigenous tribes treated it as sacred, giving the choicest cuts to hunters and elders. They knew something we've ignored for far too long. This food doesn't just sustain life, it fuels it. And yet we've turned our backs on it. Organ meats were pushed out of our diets in favor of processed convenience and sanitized eating. The nutrient-dense core of our ancestors' meals is now seen as off-putting or strange. But ask yourself, why are we so disconnected from what our bodies actually need? Here's something wild. Studies show that consuming organ meats can improve everything from energy levels to mental clarity. Athletes have started to rediscover their benefits, incorporating them into diets for peak performance. And in regions where these traditions are still alive, rates of chronic illness remain significantly lower. This isn't just about health. It's about reclaiming something primal, something vital. It's about stepping away from the artificial and leaning into foods that our ancestors trusted with their lives. The superfood you've been searching for isn't in a powdered drink mix or a lab-designed bar. It's something so ancient, so fundamental, that it feels revolutionary to even talk about it now. So, are you ready to bring it back? To tap into the wisdom of those who came before us and nourish yourself in a way that modern diets simply can't match? Organ meats aren't forgotten, they're waiting. Waiting for us to remember their power,